Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a customizable on-screen numpad on any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Numpad Emulator, and you will see a tons of website, and the second website you will see is our developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here one website link. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option to download this software. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next. Now just enable this, create a desktop shortcut, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the user interface of this numpad. So you can customize it depending upon your needs just by clicking on your settings. Now you will see here tons of options. So you can make it run all the time when you turn on your computer. Then you can enable this auto run with Windows. And there are some hotkeys like show or hide numpad. You can use F9 by default. You can select different keys depending upon your needs, and you can increase or decrease the button size just by sliding it. So you can see here, you can increase and decrease, and you can increase the spacing of the buttons also just by increasing or decreasing, as you can see here. So you can customize depending upon your needs. And here you can see your add or remove buttons. So if you want to change some buttons here or replace some buttons with other buttons, then you can just click on this add or remove buttons. Then you can just drag and drop on which button you want to customize. So here I want to change this button with the space, so I have placed it and click on apply. Now you can see it automatically changes. So you can do the same thing with the other buttons also, and you can load the other configuration also if you want to change the configuration settings and open configuration file folders. And even you can change the font styles also by clicking here. You can select the different font styles depending upon your needs, whichever fonts you want here. And you can even change the colors of those buttons, everything here, not press button. Just click on it and you can set your custom colors also. So if you want to set it like, say let me place it green, click on OK. Now you can see here, and you can change the press button also just by clicking here, and let me select this blue color, click on OK. Now if I press on it, so you can see here color changes. And even if you want to change the background, then you can just click on it and you can change the background also depending upon which color you want. So you can see here, and even you can change the color of the text also. You want to change the color of the text, so you can see. So you can customize as much as you want depending upon your needs. So by using this application named as Numpad Emulator, you can easily get a customizable on-screen numpad on any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.